How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So first thing we do is we go to Trust Wallet, and now you have to go, as you can see, this is the home page. Now you have to click on buy here, and then let's just choose Bitcoin. If you didn't find it here, you can search for it here like this and you will find it. Click on it like this, and now you need to choose the amount of money that you want to spend on Bitcoin. If you want to spend 150 or $200 or even 1000, and then click next. As you can see, and now you will be able to change it from your country to from USD to Bitcoin here. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.